Okay, so we're going to do some experiments today to compare two different organic molecules. I have a benzene-based molecule and a cycloalkene. I'm going to do a series of different tests on them. The first one will be combustion, to compare if there's any difference between the two. So I'm going to first of all use a wooden splint and dip it into the liquid and then hold it into the Bunsen flame, and we can have a look at the quality of the flame. I'll then repeat the experiment, this time burning the organic molecule on a little deflagrating spoon. Okay? So let's see how we go. We'll try the benzene-based molecule first. Yeah, so as you can see, it's quite a smoky flame. Put that out in there. Let's compare now with the cycloalkene. And you can see again, also quite a smoky flame. Let's try now using the deflagrating spoon. Okay, you can see all the smoke that's coming off that. You might like to have a think about why it's quite so smoky. Let's try finally with the cycloalkene on the deflagrating spoon. Again, a smoky flame. Okay, we're now going to do the second part of the experiment. So the same two organic molecules, the benzene-based molecule and the cycloalkene, and this time I'm going to try adding them to some acidified potassium manganate 7. So I've already put that into 2 test tubes. Ready? So I just need to add a small portion of the organic molecule and then have a look and see if I observe any change. So this is the benzene-based molecule. You can see it's made a little layer on the top because they're not miscible. Then a bit of a shake. That has an opportunity to mix and react. And if I hold that against my white lab coat, you should be able to see it doesn't appear to have changed colour at all. Let's try comparing that with the cycloalkene. Again, we'll give that a little shake, and you can see immediately there's a significant difference between the two. Okay, we're now at the third stage of the experiment. So same organic molecules, benzene-based molecule and cycloalkene, and this time I'm going to try reacting them with bromine. So I'll take my benzene sample first. Add a little to the bromine water. I'll give that a shake. In fact, there doesn't appear to have been a reaction, but you might notice that the bromine water has opted to dissolve in that organic layer, the benzene-based layer, but it doesn't appear to have reacted with it. So you can see the colours all concentrated in that top layer, but the colour's very definitely still there. That bromine is still there. Let's try now with the cycloalkene in the second tube. Just add a little to that. Give that one a shake. And you can see immediately there's a very significant difference in how that one behaved compared to the benzene-based molecule. Okay, so this is the final stage of the experiment. Again, same two molecules, benzene-based molecule, cycloalkene, and this time I have portions of concentrated sulfuric acid. I'm going to try adding my organic molecule to them. So we'll use the benzene-based molecule first. small portion added to the conc sulfuric. It looks like it's making a sort of an emulsion where it's gone in little droplets in amongst the sulfuric acid. You can see it's starting to separate out now into two layers again. There doesn't appear to be any evidence of a reaction. It's not even got warm. Let's try the cycloalkene now with the conc sulfuric and see what happens there. Shake up, and you can see immediately there's evidence of a reaction happening. It's changed colour, it's got that sort of browny orangey colour to it, a little bit cloudy, and it's got a little bit warm. So again, very different reaction between the two samples.